Got an Onan 4000 MicroQuiet generator, and let's talk about how to replace that air filter. So here's your air filter. Now it's going to give you the number that you need right here. I'll link to this numbered air filter that I put in. This is an under $10 exchange, especially if your generator is running rough. You definitely want to check that air filter. So you got a little spin nut here on the side, a little wing nut. You pull off that cap. And it only goes on one way because it's got a shape. So this part's that bottom corner. Then you've got another wing nut that's actually holding your air filter in. Take that one off. And then, don't lose your wing nut. Then you can actually pull your air filter out. Now, this is the one I already put in there. So I've already done this replacement, but that's as easy as it is. You slide your air filter on. There's a little hole in the bottom to get through that bolt, and then put your wing nut on. That nice and tight. Put our cap back on. That's our bottom corner. And then last wing nut, spin that on there. All right, awesome. Now I also just replaced the oil with 1.6 quarts of SAE 30, and I put in a new spark plug, the Champion spark plug. I'll link to both of those videos, and that completes my generator maintenance for this year. Now I'm going to exercise it for 30 minutes with the air conditioning running.